Gently close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath in. Exhale and relax. 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 Allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to relax. 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 Now imagine you are in a beautiful garden. That garden is a place where you can feel comfortable, totally peaceful. Look around, what you can see. Grass, flowers, trees. Just be there. Feel the beauty of that garden. Hear what you can hear. Hear birds chirping. Smile. Just be there. Feel the fragrance of the flowers. Allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to relax. Just be there. Feel the beauty of that garden. Now your body is becoming lighter and lighter, and your mind is becoming more calmer and calmer. You're feeling truly fantastic, wonderful. Just be there. Feel the beauty. Feel the peace within. और अब वहाँ पर देखो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा ट्री है, लाइफ ट्री. गो एंड हग दैट ट्री. उसे कस के गले लगा लो. वो आपके अंदर के सारे नेगेटिव सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस को आपके अंदर से रिलीज करा देगा. जो भी एंगर, रिजेंटमेंट, किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी सप्रेस्ड इमोशन, सब कुछ रिलीज कर दो. एंड जस्ट फील काम, रिलैक्स्ड, कंफर्टेबल. और अब देखो कैसे उस ट्री ऑफ लाइफ के पत्ते हिल रहे हैं, आपको ब्लेस कर रहे हैं. रिसीव दैट ब्लेसिंग. कैसे मदर नेचर आपको ब्लेस कर रही है. जस्ट फील a golden healing light above your head and let it enter in your system. Allow it to heal every part of your body. Feel the warmth of that light. Now you are healing. Each part of your body is receiving that healing. You're feeling blessed, grateful, happy. Just smile and thank God for this healing. You can feel that healing in your body, mind and soul. Just smile, relax and be grateful for this life. और अब अपने साथ अपने लव्ड वंस को देखो, अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली हंसते मुस्कुराते अपनी परफेक्ट हेल्थ को एंजॉय करते हुए. And just affirm yourself, I am blessed, I am healed, my body is healthy, I am peaceful, I am grateful for this beautiful life, my life is beautiful, I am lucky. और अब इमेजिन करो कि आप हील होने के बाद वहाँ पर डांस कर रहे हो. यू कैन मूव योर बॉडी, यू कैन स्माइल, यू कैन मूव योर बॉडी. जस्ट feel happy, smile, and with lots of gratitude and smile on your face. Now, slowly and gradually, you can open your eyes. How did you feel? Hina, how did you feel?
I have been doing it for the longest time. So BK Shivani ji has put me through the healer, Sadhna ji. She exactly makes me do this.
Oh.
Exactly this. And I could actually feel the scales of the tree on my cheek when you asked me to hug the tree.
So nice. Amazing.
Thank you for doing this. I think even a moment, if we take out from our day, to practice something like this, and Hina has been doing it wonderfully, I think it'll make a big difference. Just look at the energy. We're all calm. We're all composed. Before I let you all go, just want to ask you that, is meditation something that can be learned? Because I know it's not easy. Many of us, it's very difficult to keep your eyes shut even. Is that something that can be practiced, learned? Can we get better at it? Do we need, somebody like a guide like you always to do it? Can I take back some learning and practice it at home? Just, a sense of what meditation can do and how I can practice it.
Yes, anyone can learn meditation easily. Every time you do not require a guide, but if you practice it with a guide, then it feels so easy to practice.
Agree.
Because someone is narrating you, a story and taking you to a beautiful journey to experience something divine.
Yeah.
So it feels easy and beautiful and more calming, more relaxing.
Yeah.
But you can practice it on your own. It's a learnable skill, very easy to learn. And the simplest form of meditation, you simply sit and observe your breath.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe
Sit
in,
and
breathe
observe
out.
your breath.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
I
thank
prefer
you.
doing it with the healer one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially this imaginary thing, it really works when you do it with the healer.
Yeah.
So, Hina, here I want to say something because मुझे कुछ intuition आ रही थी क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत लंबे समय से मेडिटेशन करती हूँ एंड ऐसा है कि गॉड का कोई मैसेज एकदम से पॉपअप हुआ मेरे माइंड में एंड सडनली मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे आपके लिए गाइडेड हिप्नोटिक मेडिटेशन रिकॉर्ड करना चाहिए एंड आज ही रात मुझे लगा और आज सुबह मैंने सबसे पहले आपके लिए उसको डिज़ाइन किया, रिकॉर्ड किया और मैं आपके लिए पेन ड्राइव में लेकर आई हूँ
Wow.
उसको। आप उसे डेली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपकी हीलिंग बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगी बिकॉज
Thank you.
you already have been doing, so you know the importance of such kind of
Yeah.
meditation, guided meditation. And it is a hypnotic guided meditation where I used hypnotherapy along with simple meditation, and it's a guided process. And these are 2 recordings, specially I designed for you. I took your name.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Hina, you're strong. Sherini.
Thank you so
lovely.
much. Thank
Lovely.
you.
So I will
Thank
definitely
Thank
give
you so
this
much.
to
And I
you.
think that, this whole process, this is, many patients say that they feel symptoms like PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, because you've gone through so much. And stress is what cancer cells feed off. So I think it's so important to practice what Dr. Jain just showed us. With that, I'd like to wrap this session.
Thank
I
you.
would like to really extend my gratitude and thanks for both of you, Hina, for opening up the way that you did. It's not easy.
My pleasure.
But you were so gracious and you opened up, talked to us about some of the most intimate moments. Thank you so much for
Thank
doing
you.
that.
Thank you for having
Thank you
me.
for continuously inspiring all of us. A huge round of applause for Hina Khan.
Thank you.
Soon to be a cancer survivor.
Thank you, G.
And Dr. Jain for this lovely meditation. Thank you so much.